All this wood here came out of the top of a gigantic tulip tree. What we did was we had to disassemble a fence. And they have some steps coming down here. We built a ramp. This ramp goes right down into the backyard here. And as you're gonna see here, it is a gigantic, over 100-foot tall tulip tree. And the reason it's coming down is the massive decay here on the trunk of this tree. So being that it's on the back side of this property, we're just gonna get it down to a safe height. Here's Mike Tatey, head foreman on this specific job, and he's just getting his rigging ready because he's got to go back up to the top of this tree. What's the height on where this trunk's gonna be standing, Mike?
Probably about 40 to 50% right now, where that line is just shy of 100 feet. So my high rigging point is about 120 plus feet.
Dan Rumbold is using our little wood loading device we call the little Bobcat. Picking up some big wood in some tight working conditions here. Then he is taking it right up here to the chipper